What's good, everybody? Yeah, I know it's been a while, and I apologize about that. There've been some internet issues or whatever, but I have been still making plans and setting things up so where I can really make this time up. And to assure that I catch up, I actually anticipate dropping a video every day to every other day, and sooner or later we're gonna find ourselves back on schedule, as you can find on the about page of this channel. So today, I would say about a few days ago, I was helping a few other people that I know, just showing them how to use iMovie, and I came up with 2 short, little simple videos or whatever, just as an introduction as to knowing how to use it or knowing what a simple project should look like once you're finished with it. Now, just a reminder, it's 2 of them, and I'm just gonna run those, and that'll be the conclusion for today. I'm just gonna call this the samples to iMovie projects, or however, it may convey the message the best. So I hope you all enjoy it. I hope it's useful to anyone who's actually learning how to use that phone application or computer. If you do enjoy, please leave a like, subscribe, and please click the bell so you receive notification when I continue to get back to dropping these videos. I'll be seeing you all very soon. Peace. Yeah, it already started. Yep. Alright, you can turn around. I appreciate it, y'all. We did something real simple. So yeah, take it easy. Peace. As you're recording, when it comes to transition, say if you want to show yourself outside, right? Then we can just be like, all right, cool, over it and take it off. With my boy Jasper, you know what I'm saying? Nosy. And then when I trim it off, it's gonna look like it was on us. And then when I take the camera off, it's gonna be on him already. So it's like a simple transition. End it. You wanna go and tell him bye, Jasper?
Bye.